Today, I'm going to show you how to use cell styles in Microsoft Excel. Cell styles is a tool for applying multiple formats simultaneously, ensuring uniform formatting across cells. They consist of predefined combinations of formatting attributes like fonts, font sizes, number formats, cell borders, and shading. Let's get started. Here I have already prepared the data, and to use cell styles, you can select a cell or a group of cells like this. Then go to Home tab and select Cell Styles. Here you can see various options from cell colors, font, and border colors. And of course, you can choose any style that you like. And here's the result. But if you're not satisfied with it, you can also customize your cell styles. To create a custom cell style, first select a cell or range of cells like this. Then click Cell Styles on Home tab. Click New Cell Styles, and here the dialog box will show up. Under the Style Includes by example, you can see the different format options the cell is formatted for. And here, let's change the name of your customized style. And to change other aspect, click on Format, and it will open the Format dialog box. And here you can change the formatting type, like alignment of the cells, font, border, fill, color. You can also lock and protect the cell to prevent them from being edited. And after you're done making the necessary changes, click on OK. Now, if you check on Cell Styles on your Home tab, your customized cell styles will be there. Next, if you want to modify the existing style, you click on Range of Cells and then go to Cell Styles. Choose the style you want to modify and then right-click on your mouse and choose Modify. It will open the Style Box dialog, and you can check the checkboxes for the formatting features you want to include. For more additional settings, click on Format and select the necessary options, then click on OK when you're done. Let's go back again on Cell Styles on your Home tab, and you can see the default built-in font is modified based on your input options. Next, if you want to duplicate cell styles, click on Cell Styles on your Home tab, and then choose any style that you want to duplicate. Right-click on your mouse and choose Duplicate. It will also open the Style dialog box, and here you can select the format features you want to include. And when you're done, click on OK. Let's go back again on Cell Styles on your Home tab, and the duplicated style is saved under the Custom section. But if you're not satisfied, you can remove the styles. First, select the cells with the particular cell styles, and then click on Cell Styles on your Home tab, then click on Normal. It will automatically remove the cell styles from the formatted cells, and the cells are reset to the default cell styling. Now, if you want to delete the custom cell styles that you no longer need, click on Cell Styles on your Home tab, select the style that you want to delete, and then right-click on your mouse and just delete. And if you check again on your Cell Styles option, the Customize Cell Styles is already deleted. And that's all. You can now customize the styles you desire, use them whenever you need, and delete them whenever you don't need them anymore. Super practical, right? Don't forget to practice it at home. Give this video a like, comments if you have any questions, and share to your friends if you find this video helpful. Also, subscribe to this channel for more video tutorial like this. See you in another video!